Let us quickly look at our data model. We have several files here. We have 3 CSV files which we have loaded, and also we have loaded 3 other files which have images, the badges images, Fitbit awards badges for every activity when you reach a goal. And also we have created 2 other tables. One is a calendar table and also measures table. And in the Fitbit steps dataset, we have added a calculated column, target status. And also in the exercise data, we have extracted date from the date time, and we went to transform data, and in that we have added a column and extracted the date from the date time. So I think we are good. And heart rate, sleep score, for now we have not made any changes, so that is the actual data. And also we have another file which we are going to work through as we create more report pages. And another thing is that as you can see, float badges is also there. We have used these files in one of the previous videos, and we have steps badges and etc. And let us quickly look at the model view. And these are the disconnected tables, as you can understand: steps badges, floors badges, and lifetime miles, and also the measures table. These are the disconnected tables. They have no relationship with any of the other tables in our model. And we have calculated a table which is a calendar table. So we have a relationship between the Fitbit main fact table and that. And also we have created a relationship between the exercise table, activity table, and also the calendar table, and as shown here. And also we went ahead and created a new measure. We wanted to calculate the percentage of activity. The numerator is a count exercise type activity name. In the denominator, we have added filter condition. We have added all selected. And once we have this, I think it's pretty easy for us to create a report page. And I have gone ahead and created a new report page. There are a couple of slicers up top. There is activity name slicer on the left hand side, and also I have added a year slicer on the top right. And if you can pause the video and look at how I added all those columns from different tables. And for the tree map, I've added month as a category column, and for the values I've added total steps. It's a very simple visual. And also I've added the new card visual. I've added 3 measures there, and also there is a line and clustered column on the right side bottom, as you can see. And you can go ahead and, based on the needs, you can go ahead and add your formatting. And here in this case we have added month as category and total steps for that particular line column chart. And also in tooltips I've added activity name and percentage of activity, the measure which I have created. And in the summarization I kept it as first because I want to go ahead and go back to my slicer. And if I say selection is single selection, that way I have my activity name which is coming up, and whenever I click on my slicer, only that particular activity is shown as a tooltip. Even though it is first summarization, that I changed the visual name, field name in the visual. So it's a very simple and easy to create a report page. And like I said, if you click on anything, we can make changes. And also I went ahead and added smart narrative for the line and clustered column chart. This is how you do it. Go to click on the visual, go to properties, click on the icons. Some of them are enabled by default, so we can add whatever you want to. For example, if you want to add a helpful tooltip, you can add help tooltip, and you can type in the field provided in that area. You can type whatever you want to. In this case, let us try to go ahead and type, say, this is a line and clustered column chart. This is a clustered and line chart. So we can whatever, that way it is helpful for the user. Whenever the user hovers over the visual, it will also give you some brief information about the visual. And also, like I said, we have added the smart narrative. So just go ahead and see that. And in this case I have used my percentage activity as a line by axis so that it will be visible there. Similarly, you can also activate the smart narrative. So whenever you make selections, smart narrative also will give you a textual information whenever you click on that particular smart narrative icon on the up top, like shown on the screen. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.